This is switches and routers. Switches connect multiple computers within a network. Why do we need a switch? Think about using extension cable in your house when you need to connect more than one socket. Therefore, a switch is needed when we have more than two computers to connect together. Remember that an Ethernet cable can only connect two computers. Watch video. Looking at the networked classroom, you can see the computers, but not the switch. This switch is kept in a network room, popularly called server room, because of security. All you need to know is that all computers are connected and pass through the cable casing trunking on the wall to the switch. The data socket is similar to your electric socket. A router connects different networks together. This means that once you see a router in a network, it simply means that you have two different networks. Could be internet or your own different network. If the router connects you to the internet, then you need an Internet Service Provider, ISP. The ISP supplies you with a router that comes with a public IP address. If the router connects you to another network, maybe your other network, then there is no need for an ISP. This is how you can represent a network on paper. Pause the video and answer the questions. Yes, if you connect your light to a generator. Connecting your computer network to an ISP is like connecting the lights to the external power supply. The ISP is needed for external access like the internet. Task 2. How would you connect 3 campus buildings so that each operates on a separate network? Since the 3 networks must be on different networks, you only need a router. However, if you would like to be on the same network, you use a switch. Local network structure. Think of it this way. Every house connects to a street cabinet. Other houses on the same street share that same street cabinet, and all the cabinets across streets are linked together. That's how everyone stays connected. If there's a problem with the network or new customers are being added, the providers work on the street cabinets. Click the links to see a map of the internet and how C cables are laid, just like cables in streets. The next 2 slides are your homework. Click on the link in the description to do the exercise before you continue. This is the end of presentation. See you in the next chapter.